How to send large files without Nitro in Discord. I show you two free options to create a free download link or even to send the files directly via email. One is called wetransfer.com, which can send up to 2 GB for free, and the other one is called swisstransfer.com, which can send files up to 50 GB also for free. If you compare both websites, you can see they are very similar to each other, and the process of creating a simple download link or sending via email is easily and self-explained. Just drag and drop your files from your desktop to this page and choose the option you want. If you use the simple option to create a download link, you can just copy the link and paste it into Discord and send the message. The other person can just download it and voila. If you choose the email link option, you need to type in your email and also the other person's email address. After confirming your email address, a download link will send directly to your friend's email address. These websites are for free and also known to be good for sending big files. But please take care what you send in the internet. Especially sensitive and private files should never be sent this way, at least in my opinion, because nobody can give you 100% safety for your files. Thank you for watching and see you next time.